In today's video, I will show you how to create a Google Analytics account. So you need to go to analytics.google.com and you should get this page. Please make sure that you are logged in with the correct Gmail account and then click Start Measuring, add the name. So this would usually be the name of your business, and then you can select or deselect any of these options. Click Next, give the property name. So how Google Analytics works is you have account level, so your account, and then you can have several properties under that account. I believe 25 or 30 properties. So select country. This would actually be important because all of the times that you'll be seeing inside the account will be related to your time zone. So please make sure you select the correct time zone and correct currency. So just to show you, it doesn't really matter. You can select each of these or any one of these. Jobs and education. Now, this option here will allow Google to know which sections of GA4 account to GA4 reports to show you. So let me just select one and then I'll add others directly in GA4. So click Agree and Accept. And yes, now you need to select platform and create a data stream. So add the website URL. My website works, but please make sure to name it, like if you have multiple properties or you use multiple streams, make sure your naming convention works as it should. So create and continue. And this is our data stream. And Google will show us the code that needs to be added on the website. So you'll see instructions. It should be applied in the head section of all of the pages on your website. So you can do that by copy pasting this code in the head of your website or adding it through a plugin or on WordPress or whatever. Or we can do that through Google Tag Manager. So this here is the measurement ID. So let's copy that. Go to our Tag Manager, go to Tags, click New, and Google Analytics, Google Tags. So here is where we'll add the measurement ID. In configuration settings, go to Add Parameters, Send Page View, and mark it as true. And let's fire on all pages. So GA4 configuration. And let's click Save. Okay, now we need to publish this before it goes live. So any changes that you make inside Google Tag Manager will not go live until you publish it. So give this version a name and click Publish. Now GA4 has been added to the website. We can click Test Installation. It might take some time, but in this case it's working. So let's click Confirm. This is not important, and continue to home. Okay, check and save. Now you see there's no data being shown right now in GA4 because there's a data latency of about 24 hours. So it's gonna take some time until we're able to see users inside our GA4 reports. Let me just refresh this so we can see in the right section reports option. So here in reports, if you remember when I created the account, I just selected leads, so it published only the leads report. If you want to add different reports, you click on library, and then you can go to, let's say, one of these pre-selected collections. Click on three dots, click on publish, and you'll see it here on the left hand corner. So yeah, to check if the website is actually sending data, you can go to admin section, scroll down, click on the debug view, then go to Google Tag Manager, click on preview, connect to the website, and wait until website opens. Then you can go to analytics and wait a little bit until the data starts showing up. So let me move through the website a little, maybe even refresh it, just so we can give analytics some time. Yeah, I don't know what to say, guys. It's rather slow. Let me just go to real-time report, and yeah, we see one user, so it's working. Yeah, that's it for Google Analytics setup. Hope you guys find this helpful. Have a great day. Bye bye.